Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to Tech with the Lover. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that everyone's curious about: how to earn money online. Whether you're looking to make a side income or aiming to replace your 9 to 5, I've got you covered. So, grab a notepad, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, we have freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer platforms where you can sell your skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or even a voice actor, there's a demand for your talents. Start by creating a compelling profile, showcasing your best work, and applying for jobs that match your expertise. Pro tip: start with lower rates to build your portfolio and get some positive reviews. Once you have a few projects under your belt, you can start charging higher rates. Next, we have online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have a passion for teaching, online tutoring can be incredibly rewarding. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com connect you with students from around the world. Not only can you help others learn, but you can also make a significant income, especially if you're teaching specialized subjects. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet environment. Most platforms require a degree or some proof of expertise in the subject you wish to teach. Now, let's talk about content creation. If you love creating videos, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn money. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Similarly, blogging can be profitable through ad revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is key here. Create valuable content that resonates with your audience and engage with your community. It might take some time, but the potential earnings are limitless. Another fantastic option is selling products online. Whether you're into handmade crafts, vintage items, or even dropshipping, platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify can help you reach a global market. Focus on high-quality photos and detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Customer service is crucial. Make sure to respond to queries promptly and ensure your products are well packaged to avoid any damage during shipping. Finally, let's touch on investing and generating passive income. While it requires some initial capital, investing in stocks, real estate, or even peer-to-peer lending can provide you with a steady income stream over time. Platforms like Robinhood, Fundrise, and Lending Club are great starting points. Remember, investing carries risks, so make sure to do your research and consider consulting with a financial advisor. And there you have it, folks. 5 awesome ways to start earning money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your online earning experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.